1967 Volkswagen Transporter high roof panel bus. I installed a Z-bed, Volkswagen Z-bed, and have a little jump seat there, so that way I used it, or I can use it as a camper, and I've done so many times. So the bus is was built at the Volkswagen truck factory. So the high roof extension was done at the Volkswagen factory. It was not done by an amateur. We'll take a look here at the nose and find that it's not been caved in. It has some surface rust, easy peasy. Just get your sandpaper out and start scratching. Outriggers are good, rockers are tight. So for a bus that's come from Europe, it's surprisingly rust-free. It has some little places on it here and there, and obviously I think the guy in the Netherlands may have done these little vents to allow air in, so you don't get buildup. I don't know what this access panel was for, but it's there. These Bosch fluted lenses are supposed to be quite valuable. Someone told me I shouldn't have them on the bus. I should have them in a box on a shelf. They're that expensive. Here's the horn. If you happen to be driving on the street and there's pedestrians in front of you, you don't want to give them the old no, what you'd rather do is give them the French pedestrian bell. Right there. So if they're in your way and you don't want to be rude, the bus is exactly how I got it. I haven't made any changes on it. Let's see if she'll kick over. So this is in kilometers. It has 68,317 kilometers. It spent the majority of its life working at the airport in Austria. So this mileage is probably pretty close. All the lights and turn signals work. So this bus was imported from the Netherlands in 2001. It was originally in service in Austria. Maybe I already said that once. At the airport. I don't know which airport. There was probably one in all of Austria. I don't know where it was, but it started service in 1967 and it left service in sometime in the mid-80s. The bus then moved to the Netherlands, where it was involved with a glider plane club. We'll do a belly pan inspection, and our weep holes are all cleaned out, meaning the water and debris is free to drop down and not get clogged. It all looks really good. You know, you see little areas like this, but that's nothing. That just needs to be reworked. And the jacking point is tight, no rust. Very nice. Got a little rust repair right there. Again, nothing, just simple. And lastly, we'll take a look here at the driver's side belly pan. And it all looks real good. Same with the jacking points. Very good, very nice indeed. The seam here, very nice, very tight, all the way around the bus. And then I have brand new Hankook tires all the way around. It has a rebuilt transmission and reduction boxes. Done within the last 200 miles, actually. And we got some very cool driving lights here. We'll take a look here at the roof and see that it all looks good, not dented, not rusted. The rain gutters are nice and tight, no rust. Boy, it's a sweet bus. She's a good one. So I imported the bus from the Netherlands in 2001, and it's lived in Albuquerque ever since. So it went from the Volkswagen factory in Germany up to Austria to work at one of the airports. You know, I used to know that, but I can't recall now. And then from there it was purchased by a pilot that took it to the Netherlands and used it for plane glider plane club. And I bought it and shipped it over here. And that's about all I know about the bus. It sure runs and drives good, that's for sure. Your European style plug. And we'll close the door on this video. See you later.